Like any project, it's important to make sure you have the necessary supplies and tools before you start. Therma-Tru doors are shipped with a plastic bag that contains the parts required for installation stapled to a jamb leg. But you'll also need the following tools: a tape measure, a 6-foot level and 2-foot level, a framing square, at least 20 feet of string or twine, and push pins, high-quality hybrid polymer, elastomeric, or polyurethane sealant. For a single hung door, you'll need about 4 tubes. For larger door units, you'll need more. Therma-Tru recommends OSI Quad Max sealant, although any appropriate sealant can be used. A caulking gun, a stepladder, a small pry bar, a hammer, a utility knife, safety glasses and gloves, a punch or brad nailer, tin snips, an electric drill or screw gun, 2 screwdrivers, 1 Phillips and 1 flat blade, composite or cedar shims, putty knives, 1 stiff, 1 flexible, exterior grade number 8 2.5-inch screws, self-adhesive flashing tape, a J-roller, closed-cell, low-expansion polyurethane window and door foam. Therma-Tru recommends OSI quad foam, although any appropriate foam can be used. Proper foam application gun, foam cleaner, rigid Therma-Tru sill pan, exterior trim if needed. In addition, some building codes and manufacturers require the use of rigid head flashing. Check with local officials and manufacturer instructions for details.